A 22-120 12-volt max combo kit, which includes the PS31 3/8" drill driver and the PS41 impact driver. This combination is perfect for electricians, plumbers, remodelers, HVAC contractors, and any other tradesman. These tools were engineered with a lightweight and compact design that doesn't compromise on power. The PS31 drill driver has a high torque to weight ratio, allowing it to handle 90% of common applications. Weighing in at just 2.1 pounds, the PS31 delivers up to 1300 RPM and 265 inch-pounds of torque. The short height and head length allows you to reach into those tight corners, and the light weight makes it easier for you to continuously work overhead without getting tired. Don't let this little guy fool you. It can easily drill holes up to a ½ inch in diameter without stalling. The PS41 impact driver is also small and mighty. Weighing in at just 2.2 pounds, it can still perform up to 80% of all your impact driver applications. With the Bosch design hammer and anvil system, it can produce double the torque of a gear-driven system. 930 inch-pounds of max torque gives you the necessary power to drive or remove lag screws. 2600 RPM lets you drill and drive faster than you would with other tools in this category. Both the PS31 and PS41 have LEDs on the front of the tool to help you light up your work area, as well as a fuel gauge to help track the status of your battery charge. These two tools also include electronic cell protection, which protects the life of the battery over time. This kit not only includes these two tough tools, but also two 12-volt max batteries, a charger, and the carrying case. So there you have it. This is the CLPK22-120 12-volt max combo kit. For more information on this kit, see this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch 12-volt cordless power tools.
Opening the box. Okay. Oh, what is it?
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion impact driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. Universal 1/4-inch hex bit holder. Delivers a powerful 930 inch-pound of max torque. Patented 3 LED light ring. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion impact driver.
Bosch, invented for life.